Hi everyone, in this video, we will know about cryptocurrency transaction works from send to receive. We only know that these transactions are fully based on blockchain technology. But what happens inside the blockchain transactions, and how do miners earn rewards from it? Let's say Sky wants to send bitcoins to Max. She opens her Bitcoin wallet and types the Bitcoin value she wants to send and the public address of the receiver. After clicking on send button, her wallet will use the private key and transaction message to create a unique digital signature. The wallet will create a file consisting of a signature along with her transaction message. This file will share with the nodes around the network that will verify the transactions using only Sky's public key. The transaction takes time, so you might see the transaction is unconfirmed. Even all information in the transaction is valid. Miners gather a list of the Sky's and others' transactions that were broadcast to the network around the same time and form them into a block. Miners solve a mathematical problem with their super powerful computers. Any miner who has solved the problem first gets permitted to add a new block to the blockchain and receives a reward. Whenever a new block is added, the previous block transactions will be confirmed. As more blocks are added to the chain, the number of confirmations of Sky's transaction increases. After the confirmation, Max will receive the Bitcoin in his wallet. That's how the transactions work. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.